Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to pause music while recording. So whenever you try to record something on your Telegram application, and whenever you record something, your music should be paused. So if you are playing a music in your background, it will be automatically paused. So to access that feature, what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application, and after opening up your Telegram application, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just tap on chat settings, and after tapping on your chat settings, now if you just scroll down, here you can find this option which is pause music while recording. So what will happen is your music will be paused when you start recording a voice message. So now you just have to turn on this option, and after turning on this option, now your music will be paused whenever you record a message on Telegram. So that's it guys, this is how to turn on pause music while recording on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.